What's up guys, it's Racer Yayo back with another video. Today, we're going to be unboxing some New York Comic Con pickups that I got from GameStop in this huge box, and I only ordered 2. So I'm actually quite curious to see how they were packaged and hope that they didn't get my order wrong. So let's see. Alright, so we got a lot of these bubbles. And I'm going to show you guys how it was packaged because it's kind of funny. Big box. That's it. Just the side. Alright, so I picked up the Dark Phoenix limited edition. I'm a huge X-Men fan, so the minute I saw this one, I said I'm gonna get it. And I also picked up the Borderlands one. As you guys know, I'm a huge Borderlands fan. Let's take a look. It's beautiful. Guys, here it is. But Stallion. Alright, so let's open this up. Oh, it's so pretty. Guys. There. Oh, it's so pretty. For those of you guys who don't know, but Stallion is Handsome Jack's stallion. Another small detail is the head, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this, but the head is a little bit wobbly. So there. Alright. The moment I have been waiting for. Alright. Something doesn't sound right in there. I am fearful. Alright. Here we go, guys. And this is another box that I will be keeping because it's so pretty. Alright, first we got the shirt. There you go, guys. What do you think? Very nice, very nice. Right? Here she is in impeccable condition, but something is loose in there. Here it is, guys. And yes, we will be opening this. I'm also curious what that weird noise is inside. Let's see. Uh-oh. This does not look good, guys. They're pieces of plastic. You see them? Here, look, I'll put them right here on the shirt. See? Pieces of plastic. I'm worried. Okay, so she's a bobblehead, which all Marvels are bobblehead, but I don't see anything going on. I think that might have came from inside of her head. I'm coming at you. I forgot to mention that she did come with a base. So for those of you guys that have already seen the movie, I enjoyed this movie. I know it's definitely not a popular opinion, but I definitely enjoyed it. Huge X-Men fan. Loved Apocalypse. And it's not see-through, but it almost feels, it has that feel of see-through, but she's not completely see-through. There, you could see the see-throughness more on her hands than anything. Alright guys, so that's it for me today. If you enjoyed this little pickup, let me know which ones you guys picked up. What New York Comic Con pops you picked up. And let me know if you like what I got here. But other than that, guys, make sure to check me out everywhere. Racer, yeah, yo! And check out my website, geekytorch.com. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. Definitely appreciate it. But other than that, guys, it's been Racer, yeah, yo! I'm out.